Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you again in our virtual class. For today is our last meeting, for this semester, and our topic for today is focused on reading comprehension. Okay, let's see for the explanation. Okay, if we talk about the reading comprehension here, it is the third session in your examination of TOEFL, and it's around 4 until 6 texts or 200 until 4,500 words, and also it consists of 60 questions, and in this case also you must answer all of the questions in 55 minutes, and related to the text here, it's on the academical field. For example, like from textbooks is about biology, geography, physical, history, economic, art, and etc. And the next one here, uh, for the reading comprehension, it's want to know and to examine our skill in understanding, interpreting, and analyzing of the text here. And it is used to know about the first main idea of the question, for example. And next about the state detailed question, unstated implied vocabulary, where question reference, and also for the purpose question. That's all of the topics when you look at in the reading comprehension in TOEFL test. Okay, let's see the examples of one by one here. Okay, let's see for the first one. The first one, we talk about the main idea question. In the answer about main idea question, actually you must know about the best practice. Okay, here I'll make it into Indonesia here. For example, like you want to know and to identify the question, and talk about the main idea, you must know the first. Okay, sorry, you must know the first. If you look at and find a question, for example, like what is the topic of the passage, what is the subject of the passage, what is the main idea of the passage, what is the author's main point, which is the following word to be best title, with what is writer primarily concerned, that all of your way to identify about the kinds of question in reading comprehension. Let's talk about the main idea question, and that you must know it. You must know about the answer in the text. You must look at the common answer, the common answer in each of paragraphs. Okay, and here there are some steps that you must do. The first, you must read from the first in the paragraph, and actually you can't find about the theme, about the common idea. And then please look at in the first paragraph. Okay, you must check about the topic, about the main idea in the first paragraph, and try to eliminate about the answer, which is the suitable, which is the not, you must eliminate. Okay, let's see the examples. Okay, here if we see like this one, there is a paragraph, and the question here is, what is the main idea of this passage that you must do is try to read first. The answer is on the first paragraph. So for example, this one, the administration of college or university provides the governing structure of the institution, although each institution organizes its administration differently. Nearly all colleges and universities have a board of trustees, a president, at least one vice president, deans of various divisions, and a number of academic departments. In addition, state college and university systems are governed by state boards of higher education. Okay, that you must know is try to look at in the first text. We can see here, the first sentence is the administration of a college or university provides the governing structure of the institution. So the answer is A. Yeah, all of the text here try to explore about the administration of the college. So that's why that you must do is try to look at in the first sentence of the paragraph. That's about the main idea. Okay, but not only in the first. Yeah, there are some sentence is in the end of the paragraph. Okay, try to know first. The next one, yeah, the second one here is about stated detail question. If we talk about this one, yeah, you must know about the comment is on the text continuously, yeah. So the strategies, yeah, you must know about the identification of the question. Yeah, for example, like this one, according to the passage, blah blah blah. It is stated in the passage, blah blah blah. The passage indicates that, blah blah blah. Which of the following statement is true, blah blah blah. That's all of here is about the identification of the question. So sorry, so that you must know here, try to look at, the question is on the text, your strategy first. Try to see the keywords, try to filter, okay, the keywords in the text, and then try to read, the keyword in the sentence, and try to eliminate. That's your best strategy in stated detailed question. Okay, let's see the examples. Here, the same paragraph, with the first field about a main idea, but here the question is, according to the passage, each institution organized blah 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 blah. Okay, we can see, from the text here, that although, although each institution organized, in line 3, although each institution organizes its administration differently, near all colleges and universities have a board of trustees, president, at least one vice president of various divisions, and a number of academic departments. So here, the answer is yes, is B. Its administration differently. Okay, that's the answer about uh, stated. Okay, stated details question. The third one is unstated. Unstated, the best strategy here, you must know. Can identify the question. Like, which of the following statement is not stated? Which of the following statement is not mentioned? It's not discussed. True, accept. Okay, not true. That's all of the question is unstated detailed question. Okay, so your strategy is try to choose the keyword. Okay, and then you must know the position of the keyword. You must read, carefully about the keyword or main idea, and then you must know about the answer, the exact answer, and then try to eliminate. Okay, let's see the examples. The same, but here the question is, which of the following statement is not true? It's not true means like unstated, means like accept, means like not mentioned, like that. So what's the answer of this question? Yeah, the answer is C. There is no statement, yeah, about each, okay, each institution, yeah, yeah, each institution organizes its administration differently. Okay, not similar administration. So the answer that it's not mentioned, it's except, it's not true, is C here. Okay, this one. Its administration differently. But here, sorry, but here, similar administration. Okay, let's see. Implied detail question. In implied detail question, you must know the identification also. For example, it is implied in the passage that it can be inferred from the passage that it is most likely that what probably happened. All of the identifications you must know about this one. Yeah, and your best strategy is you must know about the idea is tersirat. Yeah, tersirat dalam bacaan. You must know about that. And then your strategy is try to know about the keyword. Okay, look at the keyword. Okay, and then read or reread again, read again the keyword, and then try to eliminate based on the information given in the text. That's implied detail question. Okay, for example, this one. Yeah, London grew up beside the Thames, being founded at a point where the river could be forded or crossed. Julius Caesar, hoping to conquer Britain, crossed the Thames in 54 BC, and Danish pirates often entered the river in later centuries. However, when times grew more peaceful, the Thames became a London thoroughfare. State birds carried kings and queens to and from Greenwich Palace and Westminster Palace. Prisoners were also taken in boats in Traitor's Gate in the Tower of London. So the question is, it is implied in the passage that if London grew up beside the Thames and the Thames became a London thoroughfare, then the Thames is in. So what is the answer here? What is the answer? Okay, we can see, yeah, we can see that what we call yeah, it's talk about the country, about where the Thames end, and then we can know from two direction. Yeah, from the London grew up, and the second one, London grew up beside the Thames, and the second one is Thames become a London thoroughfare. Okay, so from the two information here, we can know that London bersebelahan, ya. London bersebelahan dengan Thames. Okay, and Thames ini adalah satu jalan menuju London. That's the point. So because London is in England, karena London ini letaknya adalah di Inggris, so automatically the conclusion is Thames is also in the England, right? Even though there is no the word England in this question. So the answer is C, England. That's the point. Okay, next. Okay, here is about vocabulary and context question. Yeah, you must know an identification. For example, like what is the meaning of, yeah, actually here, word in line berapa? Okay, the word X in line can be replaced by. That's all of the vocabulary. Okay, so your best strategy, try to get the information, okay, and expressing about the word in the text. Okay, here the first, you must find the words, and then you must read the words carefully. You must know about the direction, yeah, in understanding about the words, and try to choose the best answer based on the words given in the text and in the question. Okay, for example, here the same paragraph, yeah, but the question is, the word various in line 5 has a close meaning with, okay, various. We can know about the various. Various is the adjective, right? Various itu kan kata sifat. Ya, we can translate in Indonesia like bermacam atau berbagai, itu arti dari various. So, the similar meaning with the various word here, yeah, you must know in the position of the sentence various adjective. So, cari kata-kata yang hampir mirip, yang posisinya kalau bisa sama. Okay, let's see. Miscellaneous is bermacam-macam juga, beraneka. Okay, and then variety juga bermacam-macam. Okay, and then kinds juga bermacam-macam. And then different juga adalah artinya berbeda berarti bermacam-macam. Nah, yang kamu cari adalah posisi the same position of various in line 5 as adjective. As adjective is miscellaneous. Karena kalau dia variety itu noun. Okay? Kalau dia kinds itu juga noun. Kalau dia different dia juga noun. Jadi yang sama dengan variety as adjective is miscellaneous. So the answer is A, miscellaneous. Okay, next, where questioned. Where questioned, yeah, just wants to know about the place, yeah, the place, not place, sorry, the place, yeah, of somewhere. Okay, so you must know about the best strategy here is try to identify where in the passage, yeah, try to keyword, yeah, of idea in the text, and then try to filter, okay, from the idea or keywords, and then you can choose the best one. Okay, let's see the examples. Here, still the same. Okay, but here the question is, where in the passage does the author mention that state college and university systems are governed by state boards of higher education? Yeah, in line what? Line 1, 2, line 2, 3, line 4, 5, line 6, 7. Which line? Okay, let's see. We can see, yeah, we can see the sentence of state boards of higher education. Okay, like state college and university system are governed by state boards and higher education is in the line 9 and 7. Okay, here state college and university system governed by state boards of higher education. From where in line, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 6 and 7 here. So the answer is D, line 6 and 7. The next about reference question. Reference question, yeah, your way in identification, you must know about the words in line X, in line Y, refer to what. Okay, so your best answer, try to choose the keywords, yeah, and then reread again, okay, sentence by sentence, and then try to filter, and then you can answer based on the information given. Okay, let's see. Yeah, still the same, yeah. So here the question is the what it's in line 3. 1 2 3, it's okay. Its administration, okay. Okay, its administration refers to what? Okay, refers to what? So the answer is on the what's before. Okay, so we can see that from the sentence, although thought each institution organizes its administration. Okay, so it's di situ itu mengacu pada kata institution. So the answer is institution. Okay, this one. Each institution. Each institution. So it's here. It's punya siapa? It's punya institution. That's about the reference. Okay, the next, yeah, I think is the last topic for reading comprehension, about proposed question. Proposed questions you must identify also, yeah, about what is the purpose, what is the aim, yeah, all of here about the purpose. So your the best strategy is try to filter about the keywords, yeah, read it again about the keywords, okay, and then choose the best answer. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, here, yeah, there is a paragraph, yeah. Rebecca Friedman earned her, okay, that you must remember, try to read the question first, yeah. So the question is what is the purpose of the passage? So it's about the purpose details of question. Okay, uh, Rebecca Friedman earned her MID in Teacher Leader and Teaching the Adult Learner and a postmaster's certificate in School Administration and Supervision from Johns Hopkins University School of Education. Mr. Friedman is currently a 5th grade teacher in Orchardes Academy, yeah, a 3rd and 4th grade teacher at BAM Art Religious School, and John's professor for Baltimore City Community College, all located in Baltimore, Maryland. He has presented professional development workshop on using American Sign Language in a classroom at Hopkins, Bethlehem, and Corcadas. She has also presented at Baltimore Convention Center on this topic at the annual AIMS and MENSEF conferences during falls of 2011. So the purpose of the passage here. Yeah, the purpose same like the aim. Yeah, seems like the aim. So try to read again. Okay, try to look at the keywords. Yeah, this question, yeah, is on about the information in this paragraph. We can see from the information from Rebecca Friedman earned, okay, earned her blah 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 until School of Education from the first, okay, until School of Education. We can know from this sentence, okay. And then we can look at the name, ya. Kita lihat ada sebuah nama tokoh di bagian awal, yaitu nama tokohnya adalah Rebecca Friedman, ya. Jadi jawaban yang paling tepat itu adalah tentang Rebecca Friedman itu, karena bercerita tentang Rebecca Friedman. Udah, yang lainnya hapus filter langsung. So the answer is A, to describe about Rebecca Friedman, because here all of here about the to describe about Rebecca Friedman from the first sentence. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you. This is the last topic for reading comprehension. Okay, try to know about the identification of question first, so that you can easily understand and easily answer of your question. Thank you. See you next meeting. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.